Hello and welcome. Before you install your new Larson storm door, it's important to have all the tools and materials you'll need to complete the project. Here's what you need: safety glasses, a power drill with 3/32, 9/16, 3/8, and 1/8 drill bits, and an impact driver with number 2 Phillips head, number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, scissors, a utility knife, a tape measure, a pencil, tape, an 8-inch level, a caulk gun and sealant, a step ladder, 2 sawhorses, cedar or composite shims, pliers, and soapy water to make installing the gasket to the expander easier. With each of these items gathered, you have everything you need to successfully install your Larson storm door. If you have any questions about installation tools not addressed in this video, call our Customer Care Center at 1-888-483-3768. If you need parts for your Larson products, please visit parts.larsondoors.com or call our Customer Care Center.